and Lake City and all them was getting a lot of rain.
Not always raining here, that's for sure.
Well, go ahead and send something my way I could use. I'm tired of putting water out there on my damn squash here. Of course, squash is about over with for this year. Me and my wife, we about tired of eating it there, aren't you?
Well, you might just let it go, but I don't put that water on that squash.
That's why I was afraid you'd eat too much and lose.
Oh, sounds like Florida's starting to roll up here into the old state of Maine, no doubt. 122, state of Maine waving.
Yeah, but that's really blonde dog on that water on that squash. He's so good. Just still there?
Yeah, I was saying I'm going to let you. Oh, 122, 122. Repair me.
Yeah, they sound like they're
Repairman, hey, we heard you just roll up in there, no doubt about it. We're gonna see if we can spike it down, roll back into your receive there. Hey, Repairman, 122, state of Maine, we're giving it a try.
That son's gonna keys up on me one more time. I'm gonna key up on his ass. All right, Shank, you have a good one down that way. We'll catch you later. House of Michigan. Monday evening, we'll be listening to that video. Repairman, West Michigan.
Roger, Roger, Repairman. Have yourself a good day, better tomorrow, and you're sounding good out of Michigan, no doubt. 122, state of Maine waving. Bye-bye.
Well, it's such a goddamn mess, my whole life. I was trying to say hi, yo.
Now, I can do that, and you can probably hear me better, but too early for that. All right, Shank, have a good one down that way. We'll catch you later up there in the swamp. Go.
Okay, until later, there. I need to turn that thing up. Have a good one. Catch you later. Bye.
Have a good one, Shank. We'll catch you later. I'm gone.